Okay, now this tank has had a lot of weird things going on. Now, yes, those two Anubias were there. This one and this one I picked up from Petco. It said like assorted Anubias and it was for $5, and somehow wound up to be 2 plants and one is ginormous. So, and I have seen these types of Anubias before. I don't know exactly what they're called. I think it's Benzeti or something I. It's not barter I. Something else, I don't know. But you can see that the babies have actually been growing a lot faster now that the water temperature is slightly up, and you can see I have a lot of males, and that's one of them. You can see they get that orange color. They're looking really good. Anyway, the weirdness has been going on in this tank. I found these weird little clam things. See right there. You see that scooching along there? These weird clam things. I'm gonna do a video on just what they are, but I don't know what they are, but I wanna get your opinion. So watch my next video on what those clam things look like. I'll get a better view of it. And this random Anacris wound up over here. I don't know. Things are randomly popping up. Right. Oh, I got a Java friend back there too. I don't know. I throw a lot of dead stuff in this tank, and somehow it lives, so it's cool. But yeah, this tank's rocking too. I'm probably going to make it an all Anubias, all Java Fern tank with a little bit of this stuff in the front, because other than that, most of this stuff doesn't get like a lot of light, so it doesn't really do that good. Well, that's it. Yeah.